Hi students, in this video let us learn the preparation of hydrogen with the help of bases, industrial method and with the help of hydrocarbons. First, reaction of metal with bases. When a metal like sodium, potassium, aluminum, magnesium reacts with a base, it forms its respective salt with the liberation of hydrogen. Here, aluminum reacts with potassium hydroxide, which is in dilute condition. It forms its respective salt potassium aluminate along with the liberation of hydrogen. In the same way, if you take sodium hydroxide or caustic soda in dilute form, when it reacts with aluminum, it forms its respective sodium aluminate along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. In industrial method, coal or coke is passed through the steam at 1270 Kelvin in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. It forms a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called as water gas. Here, this water gas has more amount of carbon monoxide. To remove this carbon monoxide, it should be passed through water in the presence of iron oxide or chromium oxide at 673 Kelvin. In this reaction, due to passing this water gas through these oxides, carbon monoxide oxidizes into carbon dioxide. So, by this step, the carbon monoxide converts into carbon dioxide. So, lastly, in the mixture, carbon dioxide is more. So, to remove this carbon dioxide from this mixture and to separate hydrogen, it should be passed through or dissolved with water at 30 atmospheric pressure. It forms carbonic acid and leaves hydrogen gas. And in the mixture, if have more amount of carbon monoxide, if available, it should be passed with ammonical copper chloride solution, which can dissolve the traces or smaller amount of carbon monoxide and liberates hydrogen. So in industrial method, the reactants are coal and or coke. It should be passed through steam. When they pass it through steam, it follows a chemical reaction and forms a mixture that is none other than a water gas, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It has carbon monoxide, but we have to separate hydrogen from it. To remove carbon monoxide from this mixture, it should be oxidized with the help of iron oxides or chromium oxides. Later on, this carbon dioxide can be removed by passing water at 30 atmospheric pressure. Then carbonic acid was formed. Then it liberates the hydrogen. If any trace or smaller amounts of carbon monoxide, if dissolved in the mixture, it should be removed or separated by reacting with ammonical copper chloride solution. Then it dissolves the carbon monoxide and liberates the hydrogen gas. Lastly, the preparation of hydrogen with hydrocarbons. I think you know hydrocarbon. What is a hydrocarbon? The compounds formed by hydrogen and carbon is known as hydrocarbons. There are several types: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. They were classified based on the saturation or the number of bonds between the two carbon atoms. Here we take an alkane. It is a saturated hydrocarbon with a single bond between the two carbon atoms. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Whenever it reacts with water or hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst at 1270 Kelvin, it forms carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This is the general reaction and this is the reaction. Methane, when reacts with hydrogen, it forms carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Once again, when alkanes or hydrocarbons react with water, it forms carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. For example, methane, when reacts with water, it forms carbon monoxide and hydrogen. By this, all these ways, by electrolysis of water, preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory, reaction of metal with bases, industrial method, and hydrocarbons and metal with acids, in by all these ways we can prepare the hydrogen. Thank you.